One of my favorite things to do in the summer is go to the beach and eat a lobster roll. Unfortunately, this year I'm not going to make it to the beach, but I do think I can get my lobster fix at home. Lobster's pretty inexpensive this summer, and enjoying some at home is one way to keep those lobster men and lobster women in business. And the thing about a lobster roll is that you don't have to cook the lobster yourself. You could actually buy cooked lobster, and then it's just a matter of dressing it up a little bit, putting it in a bun with some lettuce if you like, and enjoying that taste of the seashore without going to the beach. I'm going to be eating my lobster roll on a toasted bun today, which I'm going to lightly butter and line with a piece of lettuce. There's a lot of debate over what to eat your lobster roll on, but I'm choosing potato hot dog buns. You can use whatever type of bread you like. And I'm going to just butter the inside of the bun lightly and then line it with a piece of crispy lettuce. Then I'm going to set that aside until I'm ready to stuff the bun with the lobster salad. Then in a medium bowl, I'm going to stir together mayonnaise, lime juice, you could use lemon juice if you want to, a little dash of hot pepper sauce, salt and pepper, and mix it until it's well blended. Then I'm going to mix in some celery, very finely chopped celery. You want it to just blend right in there. Chopped scallion or green onion. And then I'm going to lightly mix in the lobster so it gets coated without falling apart. So you want your lobster, if you've cooked it yourself or you've bought it cooked already, you want it just cooked in cubes so it's in those bite-sized pieces. And then you just mix that all together. It should really be just lightly dressed. You don't want it drenched in that mayonnaise mixture, just a little light coating on that. And then you're just gonna stuff the lobster filling into your bun and sprinkle a little dried herbs on top if you want to. You could use dried parsley, basil, or tarragon. If you have fresh herbs this time of year, you could use those too. And then dig in and enjoy. All right, before I make those other 3 lobster rolls, I'm gonna try this one. This was really simple. It was basically like making tuna salad, and actually some people in the reviews said that they substituted the lobster for imitation crab meat, real crab meat, or even shrimp. So if you like the seafood salad, you could just make this simple recipe with other seafood as well. It's so good. You can really taste the sweet lobster meat because this dressing is really, really light. The soft bun and the crunchy lettuce are a really good complement to this chewy and tender lobster meat. And then the crunchy celery and the little bit of green onion just give it a little bit of a kick. So I like it, and I'm sad I'm not at the beach, but I'm pretty happy with my lobster roll.